Tonight's dinner isn't just about getting food on the table. It's about slowing everything down and ending the day with something that feels warm, grounding, and just creamy enough to count as comfort. This is a simple, cozy meal that never fails. Creamy, cheesy ground beef served beside golden-baked mashed potatoes. The kind of dinner that makes even a regular day feel like it matters. And if you're already feeling that little spark of cozy magic, go ahead and subscribe and share. Let's spread this feeling around. Start with the potatoes, because they need time to bake. Use 4 large russet potatoes. Go for the firm, starchy kind that mash beautifully. Wash them well, peel them slowly, rinse again, and cube them into even chunks. Drop the cubes into a pot of boiling salted water and let them simmer until completely soft. Soft enough to mash without effort. While the potatoes cook, warm a skillet over medium heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil and a small knob of butter. Let it melt, then add 1 finely chopped yellow onion. Stir and let it soften until the edges begin to turn golden. Now grate in 2 cloves of garlic and let the aroma bloom for about a minute. Add 1 pound of lean ground beef. Break it apart with a spoon and let it brown gently. When the beef is cooked through, pour in about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Stir slowly as it thickens and turns glossy. Sprinkle in a handful of shredded cheddar cheese and stir again until it melts into the beef. Add a dash of Worcestershire sauce, a pinch of dried thyme, a sprinkle of smoked paprika, and finish with salt and black pepper to taste. For a lighter version, use evaporated milk or unsweetened almond milk in place of cream. For a dairy-free option, stir in a tablespoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of nutritional yeast. You'll still get that creamy, cozy flavor without the dairy. Once the beef mixture turns creamy and rich, turn off the heat. This can be made ahead too. It keeps beautifully in the fridge. Just warm it up gently with a splash of cream or broth and serve. The flavor deepens overnight, which makes it perfect for leftovers. Now drain the potatoes and return them to the pot. While still hot, add a tablespoon of butter, a splash of warm milk, a generous handful of shredded cheddar cheese, a little garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mash everything together until smooth, creamy, and golden. The texture should be thick but soft, perfect for baking. Spoon the mashed potatoes into a buttered baking dish. Smooth the top slightly, then use a fork to rough it up. This gives you golden, crispy edges in the oven. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes, or until the top turns golden and little ridges form. It smells buttery, warm, and exactly like something you want after a long day. While the mash bakes, toss baby carrots in a bowl with olive oil, a drizzle of honey, and a pinch of sea salt. Spread them on a baking tray and roast them in the same oven for about 10 minutes. They caramelize just slightly, tender, sweet, and snacky. For something soft and cool to sip, chop 2 ripe pears and simmer them in a small pot with water, a spoon of honey, and a splash of vanilla extract. Let the pears soften, then strain the liquid and chill it. Serve it over ice with a slice of lemon. The pear vanilla cooler is delicate, refreshing, and cuts through the richness of the meal with just the right touch. Now it's time to serve. Spoon the creamy, cheesy ground beef into a shallow bowl or plate. Add a generous scoop of golden-baked mashed potatoes beside it. Tuck in the roasted carrots around the side and pour the pear drink into a tall glass. For a pretty finish, sprinkle a little fresh thyme or parsley over the top. It's humble, it's hearty, and it looks as good as it tastes. Here's a bonus. If there's any creamy beef left, reheat it and spoon it between 2 slices of crusty toasted bread. It melts right in and makes the best hot sandwich you didn't know you needed. And there you have it. A warm, simple dinner with creamy beef, golden mash, roasted carrots, and a homemade pear drink. The kind of cozy that lingers even after the plate is empty. Tell me in the comments, would you save this one for a rainy night or make it your next movie night dinner? Subscribe, like, and share if you want more feel-good weeknight meals just like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next fun food story.